Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Today's tour review, we're going to be looking at a 3-plane laser from Huepar that they sent me out. And I've gotten a little bit picky about, if someone asked me to review a 3-plane laser, because I've done a lot on this channel, and how different can they be? I mean, they're all 3-plane lasers. This one's totally different. This one has a feature on it that I've been looking for in a laser for a really long time. There are options for this feature out there, but they're super expensive. This comes in at a much better price point. Well, this is the Huepar HX03CG Pro. This comes in about 176 bucks. I think it's got a coupon that makes it a little cheaper. And at first glance, it is just your typical 3-plane laser. You got your 2 verticals, 1 horizontal. All those are 360 degrees. That's going to allow you to get square, plumb, level, every which direction that you want to. Where the key comes in with this is with this remote control right here. Now, I've got a lot of other 3-planes that have a remote control that, in all honesty, I never use. But this particular laser is a high precision self-pivoting laser. So you use this remote control to actually move the laser itself. And as somebody who works by myself, that is something I've been looking for a long time, in an economical package that I could actually afford to buy. And I think this might be it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into, in this video, like what you get in the box for the price, what's in this case right here, the accessories that you get, how it works, the features, and then I'm going to show you that one feature, because if you're anything like me, this might be exactly what you've been looking for, and then you can decide hopefully if this is the right laser for you. But let's go ahead and get into the features. So first off, as far as in the box, this is actually part of the box itself. I cut it off of the box. This is the actual user manual that you get with it, and then they give you a QR code to download the full manual. So before you buy this, if you want to actually look at the manual, all the specs, features, all that kind of stuff, maybe you can scan that QR code, zoom in and get that and pick that up, or you can just check this out as far as the features that are on here as well. Taking that off to the side, next we'll get into the case itself. So it is a hard case, nice size, very small and compact. It's not super big. Open this up right here. These are all the things that are included in it. So you're obviously going to get the laser itself, and then you're going to get a green target card. You're also going to get a wall charging block right here, along with a USB, regular USB to USB-C cable. Those come included. You're going to get the remote control. Again, this is really nice. And then you're going to get 1 battery. So this unit only comes with 1 battery. I did email them and ask them if they sell spare batteries for it. They're currently not right now, but I think they're going to, maybe possibly in the future. They're kind of looking into that. So this is the only battery that you're going to get with it. It is a, I think I saw it written on here somewhere, 5200 milliamp hour, 3.7 volt battery. I think you can press that button there and see the charge. Yeah, so I've got 3 charges right there. So you can charge this battery outside of the laser just by plugging in right here. And then also the nice thing about that is it is kind of a pass-through charging type system. So I can plug this up to charge it. I can also have it plugged into the laser over here and still use the laser. Maybe you can see that green line right there. So even though you've only got 1 battery, you can also charge it while it's plugged up. So if you've got it set up somewhere, you could easily plug it up and charge it that way and still be using it while that battery's charging. So that somewhat negates the fact that you do only get 1 battery with it. Now let's go ahead and get into the laser features itself. I'm going to go ahead and dim the lights a little bit just so you can kind of maybe see the laser a little bit better. So externally, again, you're just going to slide this battery in and out right here. Very easy to put it in and out. You don't have to take it off the mount. In fact, this laser doesn't come off this mount. That's part of it as well. You do have magnets here, so you're going to be able to stick it on anything like a metal door, scaffolding, whatever you want to use it on. The magnets are fairly strong. You can see here I'm putting it on my cabinet, but maybe you're somewhere where there isn't any metal to stick it to. It does have a screw slot right here, so you can put a screw into a wood stud or whatever it is. So it does have a couple different mounting options. The only downside to this laser, in my opinion, is the lack of the micro adjust for your horizontal line up here. So if I'm wanting to level something on a wall, I'm going to have to get this mount exactly where I want it. There's no fine tuning it up and down. Now it does have the place where you can put it onto something else. So if you have another mount that does have a micro adjust, depends on how far it sticks out and the weight and all that, but you could easily put it on another mount like this and then have that micro adjust for your up and down if that's what you want to do. But that is what's lacking on this laser, but it definitely more than makes up for it on the vertical lines, in my opinion, because if I turn this laser on, you're going to see my line back there. You can also press this button here in the middle, turn on your vertical lines, then also turn on your horizontal as well. And now there is a micro adjust for the vertical lines, and I don't even have to touch the laser. I can use this remote control and move it to the left and right in a micro adjust down here at the bottom, or a little bit faster, more movement up at the top. And I can just press this. Hopefully you can maybe see that laser moving on my Klein lineman pliers back there in the back. And that is that faster adjust, or I can kind of fine tune it with that smaller adjust and move back at a smaller increment and just get it exactly where I want it. And that's where this is fantastic, especially if you're working by yourself. I'll show it to you more here in just a minute, but essentially what you're losing in that like vertical up and down this way adjustment, you're gaining a fantastic adjustment in as far as moving your laser clockwise and counterclockwise. This is really good for layout in my opinion. So if you do a lot of layout down on the floor, this is particularly good for that. Now, other main features that it has on the remote, you can also cycle through your vertical and horizontal lines without touching it as well. And then you also do have a pulse mode, so I can press that, go into pulse mode. You're going to see it blinking like that. So if you have a line reader, I think this thing reads up to a 1/13 of an inch of accuracy up to 33 feet, but with the line reader, I think it goes up to 197 feet. I'm going to turn on my line reader, and you can see I'm picking up. Actually, I don't have my horizontal line on. Let me turn the horizontal line on. So you can kind of see that beeping. I try not to talk too much while that's going on because my audio usually adjusts itself on the iPhone, but essentially you have that right there. You can use it with a line reader, so it does have pulse mode. Some lasers have it, some don't. It's always good to have in my opinion. And then you also have the axes up here on the screen where you can get it to that self-level feature. So it self-levels itself. You can kind of see it move and level itself there. But also if I want to do manual mode, you know, you can turn it and it stays on that manual mode. It just blinks to let you know that you're not level, but it does actually stay in that position. So it almost goes into manual mode by itself. Like a lot of them, you have to actually switch it over here. This one in particular, it just kind of goes into manual mode. You can kind of set it. So if you're doing something at a 45-degree angle, some stair handrails, something along those lines, it's going to blink the entire time, but you can still use it in manual mode. But again, that's essentially all the main features. That's all I'm going to cover. If you want to know specifics about it, you can go download that manual by that QR code. It's going to give you all that information. The main thing is it is a 3-plane laser, yes, but this right here, being able to use it as a pivot without touching the laser itself to kind of micro tune those lines for layout, that's where this one kind of sets itself above any of the other lasers that I have. But let me go ahead and show that to you now. So let's say that I'm doing layout. Maybe I'm building a wall, doing something along those lines. I've got my mark right here as far as this is where my wall goes. And then I've got a mark where I measured off something else. That mark right there is where my wall goes. Well, normally with most lasers, you're always going to have to set it up by moving the laser down here where the laser is, which means if I turn on my laser line, let's get the vertical line on, you can see I'm on my mark here. Now, in order to hit my mark down there, I've got to physically move my laser, adjust it. I can't tell really where I'm at down there. Not a good way to do that. You've got two options really. One is to have someone on the other end, have them telling you, move it a little this way, move it a little that way. You've probably done that before you realize what a pain that is. And then the other thing is to take something like the target card that's provided, set your target card up on your line, go back down here to your laser end. And again, this gets harder the farther that it is away. Like right now, I'm not too far from that, so I can zoom in maybe. Let me see if I can get the blurriness away. Move my laser, see that I'm on my target. And again, the farther away that is, the harder that is to see. But essentially, no matter what, with most lasers I've owned, I've always had to manually adjust the laser on this end to try to get it to line up with my mark on the other side. Again, it gets harder the farther away that is. This particular laser, you just set the laser on your mark, go to the other side, and use this remote control. You can see my laser is to the left of my mark. On the remote, I have a quick to the left, a quick to the right, like it moves super fast, and you have kind of a micro to the left, micro to the right. I'll show you the fast right here. Press and hold, you're gonna see that laser move super quick, or I can press the micro and hold. Goes a little bit slower to get you right on your mark, let go. All that work done from this side, never touching the laser on that side. And if we go back over here and look at my laser, you can see it is still on the mark. And ultimately, it's that feature and that feature alone that, in my opinion, would cause you to buy this laser, and it's that price point of that. Again, you're not going to get this. This is available. I've seen some Milwaukee lasers that kind of have a similar system. Stabila also has something like that, but none of those are going to come in at that price point of $176. This is not going to happen. I feel like this adjusts very well. And again, somebody working by myself, and even whenever I'm not working by myself, that's still a lot easier to micro adjust it like this and sitting there moving it with your hand, even with someone on the other end. end. I can't tell you how many times me and my buddy who work together quite often are sitting there going, oh, little to the left, oh, you went too far, a little to the right. This kind of takes all that out of it. So again, for layout purposes, this is a fantastic laser. If you're somebody who always uses the horizontal line, you're going to want to figure out some way that you can get that micro adjust. That's the one thing that this is lacking. But other than that, I absolutely love this feature. But let me know in the comments below if this is something you've been looking for in a laser, something that would be useful to you. Drop that in the comments below, or maybe you own this laser, you've been using it for some time. Tell us if it's either been a life-changing thing for you or if you're just kind of about it. Let us know that in the comments below as well. As always, I hope this video was helpful. You guys stay safe. Have a blessed day. I'll see you on the next video.